Hello guys, nice to see you. It's dgsole. It's contact information. Welcome to check our website at dgsole.cn to get more information about us. And now you can check the issue. It's authentic Air Jordan 1 fragment design. You can check it in details and look in this side. Here you can catch the stitching here and the Nike logo. And also you can catch the warmth of this. The material of shoe is very good, very nice quality. And here the Air Jordan logo. Also the most part here, the fragment logo, little fragment logo on this bag. Now check the front. You can check the toe box, the stitching, and here very nice quality. Also this tongue, the top tongue here you can catch a Nike Air logo. And also in this side, nice good quality. And check the back. Look at the back, you can see the stitching of this bag. Now quickly check another. You can see another color shoelace. Then change it. And check the quality. And this back. Now check the inner part. And catch the inner part. Here you can see a fragment on this insole. And also in this side here you can catch the size tag of the shoe. And this tongue. Very nice quality of the shoe. If you like it, you can check our website. And also turn to the last part of this button. You can check this button. It is the whole blue color, like the OG logo. Now check the shoe box, the Nike logo, and in this side here you can catch the size tag of the shoe. Inner part. Now that's all for it. If you like it, you can check our website at dgsole.cn. Also, if you have any problem, you can contact with me. Now that's all for it. Thank you for listening. Bye.